So let's talk about how to use our DPT rehab flows. Now, if you are in one of our partner facilities, you should have one of these hanging up. You can go ahead and click the QR code here, and it should take you to the site that has the list of body parts and then corrective programs to follow. Or in our programming on StreamFit, you'll find a little rehab section or rehab flows area. And what you can do there is go ahead and when it's programmed in, click on that. It'll take you to this site. Pick something that seems like you want to work on. Maybe you got a little shoulder funk or a little knee funk that's developing. Go ahead and try these correctives and see if we can start addressing it before it becomes a limitation or before it becomes a problem. A lot of times we want these rehab flows to be set up as our first line of defense. Hey, got a little something going on here. Let's turn to these before we have to escalate it up to a formal appointment or make any sort of claim or anything like that. Go ahead and use these. There are a lot of the same rehab exercises and programs that we use with our patients on a daily basis. We've used them for years and we've progressed them over time. What's on here is live and it's ready to go, ready to help you feel, move, and perform better. So that's how you're going to use them. Give them a try, see how you do.